Hello everyone, my name is Pragya and today is the sixth day of my English learning journey. And the title of today's topic is How I Felt After Uploading My First Raw Video. Today, I want to talk about something very special for me. I uploaded my first raw video without editing and without cutting my mistakes, also just in one take. For many people, uh, it is a small thing, but for me, it was a very big step. Earlier, I used to scare of speaking English in front of camera. I was afraid of making mistakes. I was afraid that people would judge me. I used to think that what if people would laugh? What if they will say that my English is not good? And because of this fear, I delayed my recording. I used to think, I used to wait for this moment, but the this but the perfect moment never came. After this, I decided something different. I decided that I will not let fear control me. I will not also I will not let people change my mood or my confidence. That's why I decided That's why I just picked up my phone, pressed record and start speaking. While recording, my heartbeat was very fast. But I didn't stop. I continued. I allowed myself to make mistakes. After I finished that video recording, I was feeling something new, something different. I felt proud of myself. After uploading my video, I was expected to be nervous, but surprisingly, I was not nervous. Instead of that, I was feeling easy. I was feeling light. It feels like I broke a wall inside me. I realized that growth is more important than perfection. Mistakes are part of your learning. And if I want to improve my English speaking skills, then I have to be brave enough to be imperfect. This video is not perfect, but this video is real. And I believe that being real is more powerful than being perfect. Today, I am not just learning English, I am learning confidence. I am learning self-respect and I am learning to believe in myself. And this feeling is really beautiful. At last, I want to say that English is not our mother tongue. We cannot speak English as fluent as Hindi. But with practice, we can improve it. And I think this mindset is healthy. We cannot compare Hindi with English. Hindi grew with us, whereas we have learned English later. Fluency comes with time, exposure, and practice, not talent. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video and see you tomorrow on the 7th day of my English learning journey. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.